What's up, NMS? It's Justin.
And Gavin, signing on for WNMS.
Today's National Law Day.
I'm going to sue you for defamation.
What did I do?
Defamation. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
The next Isirika Group meeting will be tomorrow from 3:15 to 4:15 in room 122. This is a group that help impoverished girls around the world through service projects. All are welcome to join.
Good luck to the Science Olympiad team competing in their state competition this weekend at Western Michigan University.
Application for 9th grade students council are going to open up current 8th graders next week. Monday, May 6th through Friday, May 10th at 3:11 p.m. Current 8th graders should scan the QR code to open up the application, which opens on Monday, May 6th. They must be signed into their Novi student Google accounts to fill it out. Voting will take place on the following week, May 13th through 16th. If students have any question, reach out to Ms. Stoltz at olivia.stolt@novik12.org in room 518 or the high school student council sponsors. The information is included in the Google form.
The Novi Robotics Information Night will be held May 8th at 6:30 p.m. in the Novi Middle School cafeteria. Come join this town hall style event to learn about the Novi First robotics programs and how you can be involved. Novi coaches and students from all FIRST programs will be on hand to share the robots and answer your questions.
Next Friday, May 10th, there will be a Spirit Day for Teacher Appreciation Week. Students can dress up like their favorite teachers, and teachers can dress up as their students.
The Novi Middle School Dance Company auditions will be held on May 22nd from 4 to 5 p.m. in room 152 at Novi High School. Practices will be Fridays 3:30 to 5 p.m. at the middle school. Dancers wanting to audition must fill out the Google form and bring the signed contract to the audition.
The Novi High School Dance Company audition are opening to any upcoming 9th through 12th graders. They will be held on May 24th, 3:30 to 5:30 p.m. in the room 152 at the high school. This is an open audition for next school year to be a part of the competitive company. Auditioning dancer will be placed in either Dance 3 or Dance 4 classes. Dancer wanting to audition must fill out the Google form and bring the signed contract to the audition. Can't make it in person or either the auditions? Email ashley.zardas@novik12.org for the virtual audition for the information.
Do you or your family struggle picking a restaurant on weekends? Can't figure out what type of food to eat? Well, we hit the halls to ask which food students prefer, Mexican or Chinese food.
Mexican food? Why? Because I grew up with it.
Chinese food, because it's just better.
Mexican, it's just like more tasty. Like Chinese, it's only like a couple options. Mexican, you like elaborate. Yeah.
Chinese is a lot spicier and I like spicy food.
Probably Mexican food. Never tried it before and I want to try it.
Mexican food because I love burrito quesadillas.
Mexican food because I like it.
I prefer Mexican food because quesadillas are the goat.
I like Mexican food because Mexican food has a really good taste to a lot of the other foods.
I mean, I really don't know, to be honest. They both are really good in their own ways. Like, I like all the spices that's in Mexican food, and Chinese food, they have a lot of flavor. So, I can't really decide. They both are really good.
Mexican. Oh my gosh. Chips and salsa? Every day, all day.
Mexican, chips and salsa, guacamole, and
queso. There we go.
And lots of
There you go.
Prefer Mexican food because, well, just look at me. I think it's obvious.
Neither. I prefer chicken food.
What do you like best?
Fried rice is the best one.
So Chinese food?
Yeah, of course.
Let's head to Logan with the latest headlines.
Hey NMS, my name is Logan with your headline news for Wednesday, May 1st. Today I bring you a train crash in Los Angeles. At least 55 people were hurt, 2 seriously, when a Metro light rail train and a University of Southern Carolina shuttle bus collided. 2 victims were hospitalized with serious injuries, and 16 were transported in fair condition. The department said another 37 people were treated at the scene. According to the LA Fire Department, the crash happened shortly after noon along Explosion Boulevard near the USC campus and Natural History Museum. Alright NMS, this was Logan, and thank you for watching.
This is Honoka with the Wildcat Sports Wrap. On Monday, the girls' soccer team absolutely obliterated Convecton Middle School 8-0. They massacred them with 10 minutes remaining in the game. The girls' soccer team travels to Cranbrook today. The softball team was victorious last night, defeating Country Day 22-3. Nikila Guidings hit a triple ring in 3 runs. She also struck out 14 hitters. Leila Convenich had an RBI and Gabby Meldrum hit a single, scoring 1 run. The team had 15 stolen bases. Their next game is tomorrow at home. Good luck to the track team as they compete against Hillside today.
This is Stilianos Ioannis Ligrakis with your weather today. We have a high of 79 and a low of 53. It's going to be mostly sunny and warm with a 12% chance of rain today. Thursday, we'll have slightly colder weather with a high of 75 and a low of 57. This was Stilianos Ioannis Ligrakis with your weather. Happy birthday to the following students.
Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Clap, clap, clap.
Did you know that it is against the law to put pretzel and bats in Philadelphia?
Just one more thing for me to sue you for.
We're not even living in Philadelphia.
Too bad. Shout out to Inian Nithyanandam in Ms. Hike's 4th period math class. Thank you for commenting on a recent WNMS episode. That's it for today's episode of WNMS.
This was Justin
and Gavin signing off. Have a fantastic day.
And don't get sued. I lost everything.